So I got my new rear trunk release cable for the 2000 Porsche Boxster 986. I took all the interior paneling off all the way up to there. Ran a trimmer line for my weed whacker where my old trunk release cable was. Taped it up and I pulled the line through the car. Now I gorilla taped my new trunk release cable to the trimmer line in hopes I could pull it back through and have a easy assembly. I'll get back to you in a few. I'll let you know how that goes. 27 minutes later, I got the rear trunk release cable pulled through. I had to open up the back, pull some of this padding out the way so I could see the harness, because there was a zip tie right around here that I didn't know was there before. I cut two from the front already around here, and then there must be, so there's two in the front and one in the back. So in order for you to pull the cable through like I did, you have to cut all three and then pull it through. Be no problem.